Welcome back everyone. If you will be going on TikTok anytime, recently then you know that there basically this huge trend of text to speech on your TikTok. So you can basically do this if you want to get like the Siri voice on your specific TikTok as well. And you don't have to download the apps, you don't have to do anything about it. Is a little bit of a different process than or you may think. So what you want to start off by doing is open your TikTok app on both Android or iOS. You want to go ahead and make a video. Then you make a video, click on the little plus button as if you are making another TikTok. So go ahead and click here. Now you have to go ahead and film the video first, and you have to make sure that the text to speech is as long as the video is. So if you want to hold it down, go ahead and start making a video. I will go ahead and just make it like this. Now typically, as you know, the speech will go over this video, so we are going to go ahead. Here is we want to add a text, or right here there's a little text button. We want to go and click there. You will come into this panel, and then what you can do at this point, you can go ahead and tap on text, and you will see this little, the very first option that said text to speech right there. You want to go ahead and click on it, and what will happen is basically I will just stop talking.
Ha ha ha, amazing, keep working.